What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sincerely Ariel. Today I'm going to be doing a Amazon wig review. I said an Amazon wig review. This is, I don't know who this is. This is the Kiss Love wig. This is a 13x4 deep black natural 28-inch curly wig. Oh my, wow. Here is here is the wig. Ooh, come on, 28 inches. They came with an elastic band, and you know how essential that is for melts and lace. This is the 13x4 straight out the pack. Here's the hairline. I have not plucked or bleached yet. Standard 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom. Very soft, smells like wig. I really don't even know. You gotta let me know because with me. I love Glorilla. It's giving long and luscious. Let's get to the point of we gonna bleach it first. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Y'all thought I was about to do this video with no voiceover? Got him. But see, I over bleached it by using that developer, and I'm still, you know, an amateur. And I tried to fix it with this dye that I already had, but it kind of just turned the hair a little green. So, yeah. Don't get on me too much. I am still trying to master this ball cap method, but until I do, y'all gonna get what I give y'all. Thank you. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, baby, baby. I can never do this part right with the razor blade. I always end up not cutting enough, and then I just can't get it to look melted anymore. One thing about it though, I'ma fake it till I make it, because look at that scalp. It was a little orange, so I'm not even gonna hold you. Y'all, I was so tired. I was up all night. Look at this. I was just so tired doing this wig. Oh my gosh. But the results, love it, love it.
3 days later.
I don't know where I left off, but we're just gonna start from here. This is the wig. I clamped it up. This is the wig. I've had it in for about 3 days now. I fixed my baby hairs and stuff like that. I don't think I recorded that. My camera was dying. It was a lot going on. I didn't finish till 4 in the morning. Let's not talk about it, okay? Great. Yeah, this is the hair, 28 inches. So this hair is extremely soft. It already has product in it, so I don't want to really add more right now. But I'm gonna show y'all what it's like when it's wet versus curly, or like wet versus dry, excuse me. Wow. If you see my wig cap in this video, mind your business. Okay. So this is wet. This is dry. Both sides have product in it because I've already placed product in it. The wig space is like any other wig space. The lace, it goes back 13x4, but the little sides are, you can barely do anything with that. I love it. Off the bat, love it. I just, you know, love a good bust down curly wig. Curly is my favorite texture, and I run through my curly wigs so fast because once I take it down, I reinstall it. And then once I take that down, I reinstall it. Like, that blade don't give a job. Like the hair, let me know if you tried this brand before. This is an Amazon brand, period. Shout out to y'all, y'all big ones with this one. Yes, sir. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys thank y'all so much for 1,000 subscribers. It really means a lot to me that 1,000 plus of y'all subscribe to my channel. Whenever you did, years ago when I first started or recently, y'all see I'm working on my consistency. Anyway, make sure y'all follow my Instagram on my socials because I will be doing a giveaway as soon as I figure out what I want to give away. Thanks guys. Wow. Thanks guys. Thank you guys again for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked it. And see y'all in the next video. Let's turn this thing off now. Thanks. Bye. Oh. This ain't 28. Asking the wrong questions. Y'all should be asking why is rent $2,000 for a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom studio square cardboard box. Tighten up, okay? Thank you. He got 99 problems and the biggest one is me.
To the side of my mountain, climb until you reach my peak, babe, peak, babe.